Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Let's see how countif and countifs formula works. On the display you will be able to see on the left hand side there is a table where two names have been written. One is Dan and one is Chloe. Also in front of them some numeric values have written. Okay? So I will quickly explain you the definition of countif and countifs, how it actually works. Okay? So countif will help you to count any given range, okay, with a condition, with a single condition that I will show you practically how it works. And in countifs, you can add multiple conditions to count or to fetch the desired output. So we will go ahead with the countif formula first. So in the countif formula, you have to type is equal to countif. Then you can hit on the tab button for the open bracket. It's a shortcut for open bracket, or you can manually enter on the open bracket. Okay. After that you can select a range. Okay. Now what I am going to find here is how many times Dan name has written here. So first I have selected a range, then comma, then I am writing the condition. Okay. I am entering the condition, that is Dan, that should be in double quoted. Then you can close the bracket and hit on the enter key. So you will see Dan name is written thrice here, and the same is visible in the output cell. So countif supports only one condition, and countifs support multiple conditions. So let's see how countifs works. Is equal to countifs, you have to enter, hit on the tab key for open bracket, then you can select the range. In this one we will see how many times Chloe name is repeating, and in the D column it should be let me type the first condition, that is Chloe in double quoted in C column. Then I will select the another range where the numeric values are written. So in the second condition I am selecting wherever Chloe's name is wherever Chloe's name is written, and in front of that the two number digits should be there. I want to see how many times Chloe name is repeating where two digit is written in front of that. So I am entering my second condition, that is 2, and I am closing the bracket. Then I will hit on the enter key. So if you see the output for the countifs, my first condition was there should be a name as Chloe in the C column. My second condition is that I want to see the count of Chloe name where two digit is written in column D. So if you see there are three, the Chloe name is written thrice here, but according to my conditions, like I want output where the number is written as 2 and the name should be Chloe. So this is how you can do. You can add multiple conditions like this. So this was just an example. Thanks for watching my video.